Well, Lee, fantastic effort today. How do you feel about winning the ICT Geelong?
Thanks. Very, very excited. Very happy. We've been working up for this for a while, so it's great. It's fantastic.
And just for the viewers at home who may have missed it, just in a few short words, what is your big invention idea?
Yeah. So WizzyBoard is it's an application where toys and objects can be placed on touch screens like iPads, and opens up a whole new gaming experience for children. So it's lots of fun.
Fantastic. And what did you feel when you're on stage? Did you feel that it was gelling together, your vision for what you tried to achieve today?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, today was a really great way of kind of putting ourselves out there to the public to sort of see. We've kept this hidden for a while and we were a little unsure, and today is just kind of, we've had a great feedback from judges and audience about being on the right path.
Now, Jerry, he got your idea straight away. He actually said something to you, didn't he? What did he actually say?
I don't know. I can't remember. What was it?
He said you're going to make $1 million.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, he said I was going to make $1 million. So I hope he's right on that. We're certainly going to work towards it.
Are you going to need $1 million to make this WizzyBoard work?
I think we're going to need $1 million. Absolutely. So we're looking for investors at the moment because we know that there's a big pathway to get it out to market yet. So yeah.
So what did you get out of today in particular? Can you just take us through a couple of things that you actually got out of today?
Yeah, I think it was just the opportunity to network with some really experienced people. We had a good hour with Bob Beaumont about our presentation and our pitch. And then even beyond that, just about the business, and his feedback was fantastic. And then I guess, your startups, you're not quite sure whether you're on the right path. You put it out to the audience and we've been kind of told we're doing the right thing. So that's great. That's great feedback.
And was it good to be part of a fraternity of fellow inventors in information technology and so forth?
Yeah, a super group today. I've mixed with a couple of people. I've met the other competitors as well, and they've got fantastic concepts, and they're going through, the excitement and the joys and the lows of being in startups, and just kind of knowing we're not the only ones out there. So it's great.
So project 5 years into the future. What do you think the marketplace that you're targeting will be doing with your product? Have you got a vision of what you're hopeful?
Oh yeah, WizzyBoard's everywhere. It's in schools. Little kids are playing really with some fantastic applications. I mean, we're doing some basic stuff at the moment to try and get it out there, but how I can see this changing the way children interact with technology, I just think it's exciting. It's really fantastic. So I hope we're shifting that interaction quite dramatically over the next couple of years.
Awesome. Tell us how you found about the competition and what made you come down to Geelong to actually test yourself in the competition.
Yeah, so we came across the competition a couple of months ago through actually Silicon Beach, which is an online blog for a whole heap of tech people, and my co-founder said, "Wow, we got to go for this. There's some great people doing some great stuff out there, and there's some money to be had, and we're so desperate for money at the moment that we went for that." But then second to that was also finding out about Jerry Engels coming online and having a day with him, and as it turns out, we get a week overseas with him. That's just brilliant. I mean, and we're going to be putting ourselves in that kind of community even broadly, beyond Australia, and that's really exciting stuff.
So what happened after you actually applied? Can you tell us what happened to your entry? So my co-founder Nimrod came down and pitched that, and was really excited at the fact that we got shortlisted. We were surprised to even get that far. So. And then the past couple of weeks, sadly he couldn't make today, so I've kind of been pushed in at the last minute, so I was a bit nervous about the whole thing, but it's paid off. But just refining our presentation and really wanting to tell the story of what WizzyBoard is all about.